welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I worked in the last containment area, worked on taking out all the receptacles, or aka the power for all the receptacles in these four old rooms. So I took off all the receptacles, even the ones up top, all the critical ones. Helped a little bit with the normal ones, but not really. But as you can see, cut off all the pipes off of the wall, because everything for critical is normally piped or flexed down a wall if you have to fish it or something like that. But so got all the pipes cut off of the wall, got all the receptacles out. There was a bunch. There was 4 or 5 different circuits: circuit 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. So that's 5 circuits. Traced out all the home run boxes, made sure to chop all the pipes when I was done pulling out the wire. So yeah, a lot of duplex receptacles. Made sure all of these circuits were not leaving this containment. Checked the prints, followed them out, popped above the ceiling, all that stuff. Took out the wire for the clocks. But yeah, that's pretty much all I worked on today. Just these 4 rooms right here, and then cutting out all the pipe and stuff, as much pipe as I could, wrapping up the end of the day. Like I said, chopping them at the wall and then taking out as much back to the boxes as possible. Some stuff I couldn't really get out. There's one flex right there. Took out some of these cut-in boxes for receptacles. Those were for the normal circuits for circuit 36. But other than that, that was pretty much my day. Pretty much took up my whole day. But yeah, it was super hot today. My car recorded 110 degrees on the way home, and then went to grab some burgers with Steven after work, so that was nice. Tried out PDX sliders, and it was pretty good. But anyways, that is all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.